Hi, it's Brenda, and we have some packing to do. Hey, little girl, time to get packing. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay. I guess our job is done.
Hi, welcome to my channel, My New Me, where you get to watch as I try to make sense out of the chaos that has become my life and my home. How lucky are you? So I was going to clean the tub and shower because I'm not talking to you because I'm talking to them. It's been a couple of weeks or maybe a month. Really? Do you have to be part of this? Yeah. Well, I know you weren't in the last video, but you'll get over it. Trust me. So it's been a couple months, however, I can now never use this tub and shower again. Why? Because of that giant monster. Do you see that monster? Why aren't you doing your job? Careful, it might attack you. Be careful. Save me. The boy just said it was our friend and would eat other bugs, but no, it's running away. Get it. Get the thing.
This is the real reason we moved out of the hazmat house.
Where'd it go? Now I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Get the thing. You gonna kill it? Hey, Josh. Oh, I think you killed it. Did you get it? You're my hero. You saved my life. Yeah. Now I don't have to stink. I can shower again. Hey. Yeah, good girl. Thank you. Whoa, that thing moved, didn't it? This stuff is built up on those. Oh, it's still alive. Hey, you're slacking. It's coming at me. Does it bite? Is that the kind that bites?
It's not really the real reason. Well, maybe one of them. But with the whole moving out of the hazmat house, we had hoped for the best, but planned for the worst. We had actually started packing over a month before anything really happened. Mainly because no matter what happened, we were not staying there anymore. It was not a good situation at all. And we just wanted to be out of there and done with it. But like I said, we hoped for the best, planned for the worst. We had been packing, sorting, organizing, and packing for over a month before anything happened. About 2 weeks before court, we had a yard sale. And Addie did not like the boy being out front without her. So she was packed, we were packed, except for daily essentials. We sold anything that wasn't really necessary that I had accumulated and the boy had accumulated over the past 2 years, and that would not fit in an efficiency or in an RV. We initially had a small apartment already lined up that we could move in. It may have been a day or two, but we could have gotten in there. However, the landlord had a family emergency and was out of town. And, every couple of days it was, I don't know how much longer, I don't know how much longer. In a situation like that, the last thing he needs to worry about is getting keys to someone. And we were able to find another place, and he was very understanding of that. So, we are officially moved in. Yay! No more crappy place, no more crappy people. Although Addie was thoroughly enjoying herself in the motel. A whole lots of high places for her to explore and help herself to treats. But we are moved in.
Excuse me. What are you doing up there? Huh? Can you get down? How'd you get up there? Do you need me to get you down? Oh, okay, hold on.
And here's Tally enjoying the motel and her boy time, preparing for our move.
She's loving that.
In the rain. She's working hard, getting ready.
Here is our entire life. All of our home. Packed up inside this.
We're practicing for RV life.
And then we have perfect moving weather. Because, it's the only time you want to move. I lost my chair and my purple blankie.
So Tally's trying to adjust to the new place. I think she's got it.
It doesn't look comfy, but she's out cold.
And of course, Addie is Addie.
So is that your idea of helping? Yeah? I can't write much with you doing that. Look at those eyeballs being closed.
So I have videos coming of us cleaning and putting away the new place.
Is this how you help?
And more videos discussing our RV plans and answering questions.
2 years later after my first video.
She has not changed at all.
This still happens. Did that disturb you? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So, trying to write in my journal. Write out my plans for the day. And this is what happened, isn't it? Yes. This is what happened. It was Crunchimer.
She's grown, but not as much as I thought. She certainly hasn't lost any of her personality.
Keep those Crunchimer.
And that's the best part of her.
Maybe it's because I let her do it, don't I? I kind of let you get away with it. Yeah, I do.
So, more videos to come.
Well, your tail hit the pen. That's what that noise was. Your tail hit it. You want to do some writing? Mm-hmm.
But this is tiring.
Okay.
I'm working on it,
Okay.
but it's taking time. But I'll get there. Thanks for watching. Take care and toodles.